gonna open L.O.L dolls. Jaina has never played with L.O.L dolls before.
Bubble. Jaina's universe!
So inside the heart is your L.O.L doll.
Naked dolly. They look like twins because their hair is together.
Could these be her clothes?
I think the mermaid one is. Jaina's universe.
So look what happened to the grass. We threw the fizz bomb in the grass and it turned black. Jaina, what does this mean about the L.O.L doll bath bomb?
Like poo-poo?
Well, specifically, it means that the bath bomb is actually not a bath bomb. It's not safe for you because it burned the grass. This used to be green and it's black. And the blue stuff is from the fizz bomb. So, yeah, we just want to tell Jaina's universe watchers to be careful with the L.O.L doll. Don't let it touch your skin too much. Do not take a bath with this thing. It is very unsafe. And after we were playing with the L.O.L dolls yesterday, our hands were completely dried out for several hours into the evening. Be careful with this toy.
My name is Jaina, and we're gonna open L.O.L dolls. And this is Jaina's universe, and this is Jaina and Mom.
So we're gonna open L.O.L dolls. Jaina has never played with L.O.L dolls before. And this one, Jaina, tell us about it.
Bubble Surprises.
What are these?
Those are bubbles because it says bubbles.
Jaina's learning to spell. So whenever we see a picture, that often gives us a clue as to what that word says. All right, you ready to open it?
Yeah. Can you please help me? Thanks for asking.
Give me a hug for that. Good job. Jaina asked for help.
I hope the yay is not going to be in here. Yay! Really loud. It's not funny, Dad.
Sorry.
Opening these was hard, but we did it.
Yay!
1, 2.
Let's take these all out. But this one was really big.
Oh, what did we get? Look how cool this case is. It's super sparkly. Look, Jaina. It's like a purse.
Can we open this now?
Yes, you can. Do you need some help?
No. Not yet. I'm going to try.
Jaina wants to do this.
Let me open.
Oh, okay, so
Can
you
you
poked
please
your
help
finger.
me?
Yes, I can. Thanks for asking. Look, see these little dotted lines?
Yeah.
That means that you'll be able to rip that open with your finger.
Okay.
Usually.
Oh. There.
What is it? So we have instructions here, it looks like, that tells us what to do.
Can you help me, please?
Yes. Remember, look for the dotted lines.
What you got?
What?
What you got there? Oh, there we go. What's in that?
Shoes?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can open that. No.
Too hard? No. Here, let me try.
But you're not in the video, remember?
I'll try it.
Oh, I thought it was shoes. It's
Oh,
a sweater.
there you go.
Goes in here.
Nice. Oh. Squeeze it. Try squeezing it.
Like this.
Look at that. You did it. Oh, what are those?
Mermaid!
Wow. Those are cool.
It's so pretty. I just want this. It's so squishy.
You got more?
Look.
Ooh. Mama's back with water.
This says that the heart fizzes. Remove the plastic.
I need help, please.
Good job. I think I'm going to use scissors for this one.
Got more.
Whoa!
It's exploding.
It's exploding! Watch it dissolve to reveal a heart. So inside the heart is your L.O.L doll.
It's okay, Mom. We gotta put that.
Take it all out.
And the big one looks like this one. And I think some
Do it.
are eggs.
The eggs.
Okay, can you give me the scissors, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Scissors.
For asking.
Thank you. Thank you,
You're
ma'am.
welcome, Jaina.
Okay, we got a little doggy. Bark, bark. And she has a little bit hair.
Your doll will color change. These things will change colors when you put them in ice water.
So we got a cup here and a doggy. It's okay, my hands are wet. Naked doggy. They look like twins because their hair is together.
Could these be her clothes?
I think the mermaid one is. She's butt.
She does have a butt. Excellent work, Jaina. You did it all by yourself.
Yay!
Show it to Jaina's universe. Tell them about it.
So we have a mermaid dress on her, and it looks so pretty. She looks like she wants to drink some water.
She's so pretty. Look at her hair. It's glittery.
Yeah, like hers.
Oh, like your doggy. Whoa! Look at these hands. No! Okay, you ready to open the L.O.L Surprise Glitter Globe?
Mm-hmm.
And don't forget, we have these other pieces that came with your L.O.L doll.
Yeah.
So the next step would be, with this doll, we can try later, is to put her in ice water and she will change color.
Mama, you're right. She's supposed to wear the other dress, not this one.
Oh.
Let me get it off.
So this is the picture we got. L.O.L Bubbly Surprise. Oh, we have her name. Sailor QT. Sailor Puppy. Now Jaina's dressing her again. Look at the sparkly hair.
Arf, arf, arf.
I think the doggy. How does the doggy look?
Wow. How do you get these things dressed?
Doggy. I put the doggy on there. We take it off. Oh
The doggy's head fell off.
no! The doggy's head.
Oh no, doggy's head fell off.
Do this one.
So I think we dropped these in the water to get the rest of her accessories.
Looks like it's for
We
the
have to dry it.
baby dog. It looks like it's for the
Could that be
doggy.
for the doggy? Here's her skirt. It was under the table. Remember when she had a shirt but not a skirt?
Why does this not fit her?
Here, do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Don't worry, always ask for
Oh,
That's right.
not all the time you ask for help. Just sometimes if you need help.
That's right.
There, let's take the shoes
What
off.
do you think about trying again if you can't succeed the first time?
Good. I'll give you the shirt first, and
Okay.
then the skirt, and then the shoes.
She's a super movable doll. Let's put her skirt on.
I need help, please.
Good job using the magic word.
So what does the dog wear? It looks like the dog wears this.
I think you're right. Looks like we have the outfit for the dog. No, maybe that's... Oh, look, in the picture, I don't see the dog wearing anything. So maybe she doesn't wear anything. Is it a she or a he dog?
She, because it has hair.
You're right. There we go.
Why does it not stand?
It's Sailor QT. And we have an additional outfit for her. We have a bathing suit for her. How cute and tiny it is. Jaina's feeding her now. So that was the L.O.L. Bubbly Surprise. Are you ready to open
Now,
the glitter globe?
the glitter globe!
Look at our hands.
Please, can you help me?
Yes, ma'am.
And now we got the swimsuit and we got the mermaid suit. Put those right there. And so she's opening them right now. And I can see what's inside already.
Oh, yes, you can. Because look.
Looks like candy. I wish candy could be in there, but there's no candy.
Would you rather there be candy or L.O.L. dolls?
Oh, L.O.L. dolls.
So this is the, whoa, surprise glitter globe.
I'm getting the scissors. And
Watch your fingers. Very good.
we got another naked girl.
Put some clothes on that kiddo.
Yeah, he's right. Put some clothes on my kiddo. Okay, can you show this
Looks
to
like
her?
she's blowing a bubble. Well, I think we should dress her first.
It's a little ball in here.
Really?
Oh, poor thing. Oh, no, it's not. It's
Is that an ice cream cone that she holds?
Is it a purse?
Or maybe a purse?
See? Show it to our managers.
Managers.
So we got a manager right here.
Manual.
It looks like
Instruction
we
book.
got these people here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they look like they have golden hair and there's one boy. See? Show it to our manager.
Our managers. For some reason, Jaina thinks people watching Jaina's Universe are managers. We have the L.O.L. Surprise glitter globe. March to the beat.
It's a baby
That is
cup.
a boy. You're right. It's a baby cup. So we have an L.O.L.
So we got
boy.
a baby cup. An L.O.L. boy. Ew.
An L.O.L. boy is ew.
Yeah, a little bit. I still like it. Let's see what we got here now. Shoes.
Look how cute.
They're the boy shoes.
This is part of the Winter Disco collection. Which one do we have?
Don't look yet.
Yeah, Dreamin' BB.
We got her.
We got Dreamin' BB.
Wait,
Very good.
this is.
She's blowing a bubble, but you can take that out, I think.
Let me take.
Can you? Careful. Oh, you can! How funny.
This is hers. Good try though, people. Blowing a bubble.
This is a lot to open, huh?
It's okay. I still like this. It's a very fun game.
Oh, good. That's such a good attitude, Jaina.
I need help, please.
Sure, ma'am. Thanks for
She's not-
asking.
I don't want her to blow a bubble anymore.
No?
No.
This is Dreamin' BB.
She has a purse. Yeah, she is.
That's Dreamin' BB from L.O.L Surprise Glitter Globe Winter Disco.
Okay, she has a swimsuit on and she has her mermaid thing on and she's going swimming.
I love it.
But where's the swimming pool for them?
Oh, really? So we can put them in here. Hi, here's your doggy bag.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now.
Bye. You go right here. Let's start over. I was supposed to watch you to give you my dog. Here's my doggy.
Oh,
Take care of her.
Hi, my name is Sailor. What's your name?
Her name is Ice Cream Puppy.
Ice Cream Puppy. That's cute.
La 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 la.
Is that my hat you're wearing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my hat.
But can I
Dreamin' baby.
Can I be the sailor?
If you say the magic word, what's the magic word?
Popsicle.
That's not the magic word. It starts with a P. You were close.
P.
Is it please?
Please.
You said please. Yes, you can borrow my hat.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're gonna go. Jaina's universe. Subscribe. I don't know what to say.
Subscribe.
Can you say it? I don't know.
Sure. Subscribe for more videos and be sure to come back to
Jaina's universe.
Bye.
Bye.
Show them your purple hands.